Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Millview Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Eagles and part of the Madera Unified School District. Such an honor to get to visit the students and staff here today, parents later tonight for their program on cyberbullying and social media. But today's focused 3 separate student assemblies for the teachers as well was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? That we see someone's heart as big as our fist before anything else. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. And the reason that it's 2 is because one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But also, that it's 2 because in just 2 seconds, what we say, what we do, our words, our actions can either uplift or they can tear down. And talking about uplifting words and actions really ties into their SOAR acronym here at the school. Very inspiring that we have self-control, on task, accountable, respectful. But I think these 2 really kind of tie into today's message, that I tried to impart on everyone's heart. And the idea that we got to be accountable for our actions, know that our words can potentially build up or tear down. And it doesn't have to be bullying either, right? Bullying is something that's repeated over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time words or actions, can still have the same type of reaction, right? Can still have the same impact on someone's heart. But the respectful piece, of course, too, right? We have to have that self-respect, but also give it out to others too. Like my shirt says here, need human kindness. We need a lot more of that, but the peace sign inside the heart is where peace begins. There's also 2 people here because it's not just about kindness to yourself, it's about kindness to others too. And that's what was really inspiring to me, is to have these students, really truly realize that they can make a difference even at a young age by looking at the heart first, but also knowing whatever they're going to go through, that we can turn hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, into healed people who heal people. And furthermore, it comes with us not just seeing people for the heart first, but for this as well. And all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one on each hand, right? And that M stands for Millview. No, it stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to buy into this because a lot of people I speak to, they don't always see that in themselves. We have to be that light to their heart. And if we can pick up that torch for change, be the change like Gandhi talks about for this world, then if we want more kindness, then we be that kindness. If we want more respect, we show more respect. And we start to see more of that, right? That we can change our culture and we can change the people around us, hopefully, by rising above the hate. Knowing that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. What matters is what we believe, and that people, including ourselves, see us for this. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Hope to see you all again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.